If you want cafe-quality espresso, cappuccinos, and lattes at home, the Ninja Espresso and Coffee Maker Barista system is a game-changer. 3 Espresso Brew Styles. Show buttons for classic, rich, and over ice. Choose from classic, rich, or over ice espresso styles to match your taste. Single-serve coffee and Nespresso capsule compatible. Works with ground coffee or Nespresso capsules, giving you ultimate brewing flexibility. Built-in frother. Steam wand frothing milk. Creates silky microfoam for cappuccinos, lattes, and macchiatos. Perfect for latte art. Espresso, cappuccino, and latte maker. One machine handles all your favorite cafe drinks without extra equipment. Compact, user-friendly design. Space-saving design fits any kitchen countertop, with intuitive buttons for fast brewing. Versatile, brews espresso, cappuccino, latte, and coffee from pods or grounds. Built-in frother saves money and counter space. Fast, convenient, and easy to use for everyday cafe drinks. Not fully automatic, requires some manual frothing skills. Premium price compared to basic single-serve machines. If you want a versatile home barista system with professional-level espresso and milk drinks, the Ninja CFN601 is a top choice. Check it out at the link below and upgrade your coffee game today.